Meaning of independent.
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 Independent. The term independent refers to the state or quality of being free from external control, authority, or influence. It suggests an individual's ability to make decisions and act without being constrained or swayed by others. Independence is often associated with self-sufficiency and autonomy, and can be seen as a desirable trait in individuals, businesses, and nations. Whether it is a political movement seeking independence from an oppressive regime, or a teenager striving for financial independence, the pursuit of independence can bring forth a sense of pride, empowerment, and accomplishment.